Hello, good morning to all. So here I am going to start the next prose, that is 1.4, The New Dress by Virginia Woolf. Now, before we start the lesson, let's have the introduction about our writer Virginia Woolf, as it is given to you in your text. Born in 1882 to 1941 London. She was an American novelist and essayist. Very finely, it is very clear that she is a great English novelist as well as essayist. She is also considered as a modernist writer of 20th century. Now she is also called as the pioneer of stream of consciousness. That means she was the one to start stream of consciousness technique in narrative system. And we can see a glimpse of feminism in most of his writing work. So she has given various books to various writing works. Okay, here it is mentioned the glimpse of early modern feminism. Can be easily stressed. Okay, fine. And the first one is given to you, the voyage out to the lighthouse, the Orlando, and Mrs. Dalbo are her remarkable novels. A Haunted House is a famous short story collection from which The New Dress is adapted. So here, before to give you the introduction about New Dress, let's have little bit about our writer. Virginia Woolf, as a single child, not got a formal education. Okay, her father had a library which she has used very nicely. She also faced nervous breakdown when she lost her mother. If personally we have to take a little information about our writer, how she was and what all things she included in the writing work. And again, after 9 years, again she had to face a nervous breakdown. So after that she shifted to London. Okay, and there, with the help of the intellectuals, she opened a group to make herself intellectually very strong. And then the writing work which we can see clearly, the topic 3, stream of consciousness, and basically which we are going to now see. The present story, that is New Dress, is about a character Mabel. Now here, through Mabel, writer highlights the thing, that is insecurity. So here she shows that this character Mabel, who is a very simple lady, but she is so much insecure that she herself feels that all are making fun of her. So here Mabel gets an invitation card for a party by Dalloway. Okay, and in that party she herself decides a yellow gown, dressed and designed, and everything done by herself only. And even after that, she thinks that all people are criticizing her and her dress, but it is not like that. Nothing is like that. It is his mind's perspective that she thinks in such a negative way. The negative way takes her in such a depression that she has to leave the party. Okay, very finely it is given in the second stanza. The present story is about Mabel's warning, who constantly think about her new yellow dress in negative terms. She herself decides the dress. The writer has given yellow color, the color which represents the sun, brightness, happiness, and all is related to it. Further, it is told that she herself has chosen the design, color, pattern, and the dress which she has decided for the party of Mrs. Delvey. However, at the party she keeps thinking that the dress is old fashioned, and everyone in the party is mocking her dress, and it is her perception that she herself tells that all are making fun of her dress. Okay, but it is not like that. The reality is very different. It is the insecurity feeling in her that makes her so conscious that she can't think anything positively for herself. Okay, further it is told that she thinks that she is a fly on the edge of the saucer, drawing deep and deep as she comes seriously under the spell of the negative mind, and depression leaves the party. So she thinks herself as she is a fly. Okay, and the thinking of negativity take her in such an extreme level and take her into depression that she has to leave the party. Okay, financially there the prose ends. And so here very finely we can see that she was ambitious. Her desire was unfulfilled. She had a dream to marry a very rich person, okay, like a hero, but she was happy to whom she has married. And the stream of consciousness technique is very effectively highlighted throughout the prose. So here I stop the introduction, and next lecture we will have the detailed explanation about the prose, that is new dress. Thank you students and all viewers. Please like it, subscribe it and share it if you like it. Thank you.